girl Britt, and I'm back with another motherfucking video. For today's video, as you see in the description down below, we finna get it popping up in this bitch. Like, we finna get it popping for real. So what I'm gonna need y'all to do is go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you're new. If you don't like me, get the fuck off. And let's get started. So I took off all my little makeup or whatever. I think I look like shit. Anyways, got some drinks, you know. We just gonna be chilling. And so basically for this look, I'm gonna be showing y'all how the fuck we gonna take some man. Not really. I ain't gonna take nobody's man. But if you that type of girl, I'm gonna show you how to do that. How you need to be looking when you do that. So let's prime up the face. I'm gonna take some Versali right here, and we're gonna get that on. My face has been kind of dry lately. It goes back and forth. The shit's bipolar as fuck. We're gonna put some of this on, because this literally helps like the dryness. Now the second primer I'm gonna put is this No Problem by Touch of Soul or whatever. And this is just for you guys who got big ass fucking pores like me. So I got some huge ass pores, so I gotta take care of those. I hate, like, that's my number one flaw, is my motherfucking pores. Like, am I drunk already? I don't think so. You know what? We need to get some music up on in here, because the mood, I'm telling you, the mood is sitting in. But I don't want to get copyrighted, so let me find just like some little instrumentals. We finna play some music. Okay. Alright, moving on to foundation. I ain't doing shit to the brows because they're okay. So, I feel like for this type of look, you know, I want to look kind of tan, you know. I want to be looking tan and nice and fresh. So, I'm going to take my Becca Agua Luminous Perfecting Foundation. Because like I said, I want to have that tan motherfucking look. And I'm gonna just drop some on my face. It's kind of like a pump thing, so it's like, alright, come on now. Fucking work. Hopefully this is enough. If not, we're gonna add some more. Anyways, I'm gonna be taking my my brush right here. Y'all already know what brush this is. This is the Y6. Okay, so Y6 from Morphe. It's fresh. It's fresh, bitch. Look. Okay. Now we're just gonna blend this out. Like I said, I want to be tan. It's not summertime yet, but it's getting there. You guys, the mood, I'm telling you, the mood that is set right now, y'all don't even motherfucking know. But I'm gonna show y'all motherfuckers how we finna get this shit done. Ooh, this brush though, this brush. I think I'm gonna have to change the song, cause I wish I wouldn't have to worry about like getting copyrighted. That shit's annoying as fuck. Okay, you see, we already looking kind of tan. We are looking. All right, now let's move on to concealer. Let me get another drink. Okie dokie. Where's my motherfucking concealer? I'm gonna take my little Color Pop right here. Oh, and by the way, so after the makeup is done and stuff, I'm also gonna be doing like, you know, putting some clothes on. You know, as if we were going out or something, you know? I'm gonna show y'all how I would dress if I'm going out, you know, to steal a motherfucker's man. Even though that would never happen. I still want to do it, you know what I'm saying? Still gonna show y'all how we gonna get this done. Let's blend out this motherfucking concealer. This ColourPop concealer is like my favorite right now. It's just so motherfucking pretty. Okay, now we gotta set the concealer. I'm gonna be taking my Morphe, if I can open the motherfucker. All it is the Morphe Filter Perfect finishing powder. And I'm gonna set my shit with it. Get the fuck out. Okay, this how it look. And so I'm just gonna set the under eye with this. We're gonna set it nice and good. You guys, I am kind of buzzed. Like, I might for real start singing on this bitch tonight. Damn, this shit is for real brightening. Basically, I'm just putting it in the areas, you know, where I know that I get the most oily. Alright, so I haven't done any real deal contouring in a while, so Jordana stick right here. I'm gonna use this. And we're gonna use some of this. Man, it's been a minute since I've used this. And I think I'm gonna contour the nose this time. Just because I really don't never contour it, so that's what it is. And now let me find my little, ain't no telling where that motherfucker is. Are you fucking serious? Okay, I'm gonna just take this beauty sponge right here and I'm gonna blend this out. Damn it, I was looking for my Morphe one. I got the Jeffree Star ones too, but you guys, I've gotten so much shit come in, like I've got to organize. Alright, so we got that shit all blended out. Time for some bronzer. The bronzer I'm gonna use, girl, is just this Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Okay, hopefully I didn't crack it. Butter Bronzer. And we're just gonna use that. I love the way this shit smells. Because like I said, we want to be tan. We want to be nice and motherfucking tan.
Mommy.
You say a picture's worth 1,000 words, a video's worth a million.
Smells so
Just
good.
because
Saya.
you get about 40 to 50% when you first time it helps.
Okay. We got that on. We are looking fucking good. Please don't be hitting on that.
That's 12.
Okay. We need to change the song. We need to go back and change the song. Trying to get this shit to motherfucking play. Come on now. Okay. Another sip. I haven't been wearing blush lately, so we're gonna put a little bit of blush on. If I can find my blush. See, I need to organize, so I mean, I don't even know what to use at this point. Let me just take my little Anastasia blush right here and put some on. Hopefully I don't put too much on. You see how nice and tan we're looking? Like, I really like this. Tan. Okay. Now we're gonna do something with these eyes. We have got to do something with the eyes. So let me get. Okay, so for eyes, we finna use this Miss Riviera right here because this palette, I think this is the one. This is the motherfucking one. I need a fucking drink. Alright, so we're gonna put on a little transition or whatever. I'm gonna tap into this one, Estate. Really, I ain't even gotta show y'all shit. I'm just gonna show y'all how we finna do this motherfucking eye look. So if any of y'all trying to be taking somebody motherfucking man, y'all gonna do it. Even though I don't approve of that, y'all need to go get y'all's own man. This is all just for fun, you know what I'm saying? I'm in a good mood, so This is how we doing it. This is how we rolling. Okay? So now we're going to tap into this one right here called Coastline. And we're going to just apply it. Just watch. Just watch. Okay. Now I'm going to tap into the next color, which is just a brown. Y'all can see it right here. And we're just going to kind of blend this on in. I know, I might get copyrighted with this. Let me change this. We can't be listening to this. Okay. Y'all see how I'm kind of winging it a little bit? That's all we're gonna do. Please stop touching the light. Okay, that's all we're gonna do is we're gonna wing it. Ooh, I need to plug my brows, you guys. Please ignore that. You never saw it. Okay. So I cut this fucking crease real quick. Let me drink this. I cut this crease. Now, y'all finna see what I'm finna do. We finna add this color right here. Because, like I said, we trying to be nice and sexy for, you know, for our men. So, you know what? We might even do just a pink. Let's do a pink. I think that's attractive. Look at that pigment, bitch. And we're going to add that all over that crease. All over the motherfucker. Ooh, bitch. Y'all better watch. You see, we even put that pink in the inner corner. So, I'm just blending this really quick. Blending it all in so it will, you know, come together. Now, we need to do a motherfucking wing. And then, of course, we're going to smoke out the bottom with that fucking pink. So, let me get my eyeliner. Oh, shit. I got to put this back in the damn box. You guys, I'm excited. We gonna fix hair. We gonna put clothes on. Girl, we finna do everything. Let me get my wing eyeliner. And if you wonder what I use, I just use this e.l.f. because it works for me. It fucking works for me. Also, if you guys are bored or not feeling this video, you can click off. It's okay. Because, you know, I'm doing it for people that actually are here to watch me. Nobody's opinion matters. So, oh girl, look at these motherfucking wings. Finna cut a fucking bitch up in this motherfucker. Woo! Okay, let's go ahead and smoke out this bottom. I'm gonna use some of the brown and then I'm gonna use some of the pink. So let me get my little handy dandy brush that I be using when I do this so it can all form out evenly. So let me take the damn thing. I should never put it in the damn box. Okay. And then of course, you know, we're going to put on some lashes. So first I'm going to tap into the brown. And like I said, I'm just going to kind of smoke out the bottom. Girl. Alright, so we got motherfucking lashes on. We got, you know, we got it kind of how it's supposed to be. Now we need to add some highlighter and then we're going to straighten our hair. So let me get my little highlighter brush. Oh, my nose is starting to run, you guys. I got another drink too, so I need to open it. Sucks you can't play whatever music you want without getting copyrighted. Alright, so highlighter. We want to be lit the fuck up on these motherfuckers, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild right here. It's actually a loose highlighter, but this should be motherfucking sparkling like a motherfucker, and that's what we're gonna go with. You see? You see? Okay, now I'm gonna set my motherfucking face before we straighten this hair. Morphe spray. And I need to put something on my lips. What am I doing? I want to do something different. Because when you see the color of clothing I'm wearing, you're going to be like... So I'm going to put this Urban Decay on. I think I overlined a little bit. A little bit I overlined. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of straighten my hair a little bit. I don't have a brush, so fuck my life. I'm just gonna kind of work with my nails. This should work though. I mean, my hair is not too tangly. I miss my curls though. Best believe my ass is washing this shit tomorrow because I miss my curls. You guys, my man can't stand for me to take an hour to fucking, you know, just have some me time. He can't stand it. He can't stand it, you know? But whatever. Whatever. So we straighten the motherfucking hair. Alright, you guys, so we got the hair pretty much done. I got a little surprise with it. Now I'm finna change into the clothes and we finna get a little crunk before we end this video. I can't believe I said crunk. That is like so 2000s. Wow. Let me take a drink. Anyways, this is the finished look of the eyes. Watch out for y'all mans. Alright, let's get changed and get to the ending of this video because somebody doesn't have patience. Alright, you guys, well, this is the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. And stay tuned for this little ending of how I'ma fucking steal your man.